Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So let's first launch the Google application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner. After that, go to the settings section and click to the Google Assistant. After that, just scroll a little bit down and tap to the general options. Now just to turn off Google Assistant, you should click here only once on the switcher and then just click here to turn off, and that's it. Now Google Assistant feature is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.